Subscribe to Ashish Computer Typing Institute for more such videos. Here we will discuss the question bank of batch 103 of English 40 words per minute of dated 17 July 2019. So let's begin. HTTP is the protocol to transfer the data in the form of dash. Answer is text. Hard disk is also called as dash. Answer is magnetic disks. When we delete any file from the computer, it gets permanently deleted. Answer is false. You can take a soft copy of your data using dash. Answer is pen drive. Pages can be described as multimedia pages. Such pages may contain dash. Answer is video clip, sound, text and pictures. By using font dialog box advanced tab, we can set the following options. Answer is all of these, that is scale, spacing and position. Drop caps option shown in dash tab. Answer is insert. Dash option is used to clear formatting. Answer is clear formatting. We can insert a page number at dash. Answer is both A and B, that is header and footer. Making the changes in document is called dash. Answer is editing. With the help of HLOOKUP function, the given lookup value is searched in dash in the very first row of the given table array. Answer is horizontally. Comments can be added to cells using dash. Answer is cell. Top or bottom rules option of conditional formatting can be used only for dash values. Answer is numeric. The function equal max 56 65 65 56 will show output in Excel as dash. Answer is 65. Which is the value will display if the formula equal $55.00 plus 5 is entered into a cell. Answer is 40. Dash means the effects given in slide regarding how the objects appear during slideshow. Answer is animation slide. Which of the following is not a part of slide design? Answer is slide layout. A dash slide show displays the only slide you select. Answer is custom slide show. There are dash side of the four side of the hanger. Answer is 4. In PowerPoint, to add sound in the slide, dash option is used. Answer is transition sound. ISP stands for dash. Answer is Internet Service Provider. Light pin sensor analyzes dash on screen. Answer is X and Y coordinates. Capacity of CDRW is dash. Answer is 700 MB. We can attach a document or file to email. Answer is true. Email stands for dash. Answer is none of these. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, share, like and comment.